Look for the carrots, see if they're there. The carrot's gone?
Yes.
Oh, did he leave you anything?
Yes.
Where? Where is it? Where?
Wow.
Go look. Look, the carrots are gone.
No.
Did he leave something for you?
Yes.
What is it?
Bunny.
Look.
Pull it over.
Look. Easter Bunny left that for you.
That's cute.
Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Yeah. Oh boy, wonder what's in there.
And what's in there, Grandma?
I don't know. Gotta open it up and find out.
Strawberry shortcake?
In the Easter basket?
Wow! There's strawberry shortcake in there.
There is?
Mr. Bunny.
No, it's in there. Pull it down.
Hold on.
You'll get it.
Wow!
What's that?
Strawberries.
There. Pull this down.
A strawberry shake for Minnie Mouse.
Show Grandma.
Turn around, let me see.
Show Grandma.
It's Minnie and Daisy Duck. Turn your strawberry around. Let me see your strawberry around.
Turn it.
Look at that. Strawberry shortcake. What else is in there?
Put it on the table. What else is in there?
Strawberries.
Okay.
What else?
What's in the basket?
What else is in here?
Makeup.
No, what are those?
What's that?
See?
Bubbles?
Yeah.
Bubbles.
And for that thing.
Mmm.
Hold on, George.
What's in there?
Look, open it, pull it out. Let's see.
See. Ooh. Chocolate?
Yeah.
Ooh. Put it on the table. See what else is in there. Put your bubbles down. Let's move them back so we don't bust it. Okay, what else? What else? Look.
Dad.
Huh? What's that?
Scissors.
Scissors for Liv?
Me.
Big baby. Now we have to cut them there, up there.
Put them down. What else is in here?
What's this?
What's in there?
Ooh, some more chocolate?
Yeah.
Don't open it now. We have to have some bread. What's that? Put it in there.
Hold this.
Put it in there. What else is in there?
Strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry.
Strawberry sugar.
Uh-huh. What else? Look in here. What's this? Clothes? Hmm?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's my Mickey Mouse.
What happened to the carrots? Look, the carrots are gone.
Oh no.
That Easter Bunny ate them all up. He's probably working hard. Huh? A coloring book.
Coloring bucket.
Yeah. And what's this? Some new clothes?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Huh?
Oh, scissors.
Yeah.
For me.
Mm-hmm. For you.
For me, a strawberry shortcake.
Yeah, strawberry shortcake. Grab her. And look at her. Grab it. Cool, huh?
Strawberry shortcake. Air. Smell air. What's in there, Grandma?
Yeah, look, it's a strawberry, all right.
You